Hey guys, this is my Google Pixel 7 Pro. I know it's late, but I'm going to quickly do an unboxing of it and yeah, have a look around it. So I got the the Pro version, 256. So you get a nice OLED 6.7 inch display as well. So I can't wait to see that, and the main thing is the camera as well. So this is 12 gig of RAM as well. So there you go. I didn't know what phone to get next, so I was really thinking hard and just been looking at everything, but this was a good price, so I had no choice. So I'm gonna look into it now. I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, there you go, that's the phone. We're gonna have a look at that in a minute. Just put that on one side. So what you get here, get this little, I'll call it a little dongle. So you got the Type-C, plugs into the phone, and you put a normal USB if you want to transfer data or back up anything. You'll be needing this. This is the cable, Type-C to Type-C. Yeah, the only problem is you need to buy a plug, but that's about it. At least if you can get 30 watt, it's up to you, but you should get a fast charging one. And that's the instruction. It's all in here. It's quite a big little booklet here. Okay, and that's about it. So let's have a look at the phone. So this is the back of it. It's really shiny. And then you got the cameras, the zoom as well, and all the others. I heard it's like the Google 6 as well, kind of cameras, but just a little bit newer, but mainly more newer design and everything. But it's a proper fingerprint magnet as well. Looks nice. And let's peel this off. Oh, that was a flop. It's looking nice. There you go. You got the little face camera there as well. It's not that bad. But yeah, it feels good. It feels good on the hand. I know you can't reach everywhere, but and that's where you put your SIM card in. Just one, I think that's it. And yeah, and your volume and buttons there. And I heard the speakers are good as well. But yeah, it's a quick unboxing, guys. Just like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.